1953 John Deere 40C. Got it in the spring, put a bunch of money into it, new head gasket, new exhaust, as you can see there, cherry bomb, whole bunch of new stuff to get it ready for plowing this winter. So let's cold start it and see if it'll start when it's cool. Turn the gas on. That valve on the bottom of the, right in front of you, to your right a bit. That valve there, turn it. Either way, counterclockwise. Okay, give it a second. Should start up. Ass protection required. Well, you can rely on your John Deere for a cold start in the snow.